Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. And today we have a 2014 Hyundai Veloster SR Turbo. This vehicle sustained damage in the front. This vehicle is fitted with a G4FJ 4-cylinder 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive 6-speed automatic transmission. It's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror in tidy condition. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light in tidy condition. Tailgate, small fold at the bottom. Besides that, no damage. We have the right-hand tail light in tidy condition. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Driver's door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand power door mirror. Right front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Right-hand headlight in tidy condition. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory leather interior in black. Has a tiny center console lid. Tidy center console, automatic. Has a tidy black gear stick. Factory sat-nav stereo unit. Bluetooth MP3. Left-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. Right hand sun visor in tidy condition. Instrument cluster has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.